Yo, Aaron here, and this lesson is for an unreleased John Mayer track from a really old live recording, and it's called Everything Is Not Broken. Check it out. So this song's in standard tuning, it's played with a pick, it's quite intricate in places, and I've transcribed the general idea. John Mayer's really just kind of improvising around this part, I feel, so I haven't improvised every little nuance, but you'll get the general idea, and you can get the rest of the stuff by listening to the recording. I have no idea if anyone's going to even search for this video, because this is a really rare live track. We'll see what happens. Anyway, here it is. So the intro is split into two halves. We're going to start with the first half. Just bear in mind that this song is a live recording. We can't actually hear the start of the song. So I'm assuming that this first half of the intro goes around 4 times and not 3. So the first half of the intro I'm going to play slowly at 80 BPM. Then we get to the second half of the intro, and it's the same kind of idea, but a slight variation of. At 22 seconds we get to the verse, there's 4 bars, and they go like this. At 33 seconds we get to the first chorus. It's 6 bars long and goes as follows. So we get to the bridge section at 1 minute 46 seconds. The 2 chords in the bridge section are, it's like a D major 9, but there's no third in there. You've just got the root, the 7, and the 9. And then we have a C sharp minor. So this kind of idea. More weddings, and funerals, and time, etc. And then that's it. You've got all the ingredients to play the song. It's just a question of working out which parts you've already learned fit into the rest of the track. So there it is, a rare unreleased live track. If there's any more kind of unreleased rare John Mayer tracks that you want me to have a crack at and stick a video up for, then just post a comment and I'll see what I can do. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you dare, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.